Today I have some absolutely game-changing news in the world of print on demand, and I'm gonna jump right to it. Printify and Printful are merging. These two giants in the print on demand industry are coming together to give you something bigger, better, and more powerful than ever before. I'm really excited about this. Printify and Printful are really excited about it, and I'm gonna explain to you why you should be excited about it too. So first of all, we're getting the best of both worlds. We're talking 85 print providers in 117 locations working really hard to help support your business. It's really like our favorite superhero team up, but for our own brands. With this merger, we're going to have over 1,000 top quality products to sell. More products means more options, more customizations, and more ways for our businesses to stand out. This merger also means faster, more efficient access to customers all around the world. With Printify and Printful being one, we're going to be able to reach more places and more people, being able to scale our businesses further than we ever have before. So what happens next? I know I don't have a lot of information right now. However, I'm in the pipeline with my little Printify birdies, and as soon as I have more information on this, I'm going to bring it right to you guys. This exciting new chapter is expected to kick off in a few weeks when the deal closes. Printify and Printful are going to continue to work as separate operations for now, but just know that they are working together behind the scenes to be bigger, better, and stronger than ever together. I'll be sharing more updates soon. Stay tuned because this is going to be huge.